Hi, this is Beatrice with Bake Deco, and today we're going to be making some delicious chocolate bark. You'll need a few ingredients for your chocolate bark, and the first thing you want to decide on is what kind of chocolate you're going to be using. We're going to be using our Callebaut 811 semi-sweet dark chocolate calabaut. You also want to decide on what kind of toppings you're going to be using. Now we're going to take our already tempered chocolate and we're going to spread it on our silicone mat. You can also prepare this on parchment or wax paper if you don't have a silicone mat available. I'm just going to make sure that we get all of the chocolate out of our bowl. I'm using a spatula. We're just going to take our offset spatula and spread it around our mat. So depending on how thin you would like your chocolate bark, you can spread it a little thinner or you can leave it a little thicker. So once you're happy with the shape, you can go ahead and start adding your toppings. We are going to start by adding our pecans. And you could choose to chop these up or leave these whole. So we're just going to spread these around our chocolate bark. You can add as many or as little as you'd like. And you want to make sure that you're adding your toppings while your chocolate is still warm, so that your toppings fully stick to your chocolate. So we're going to go ahead and add the rest of this bowl. And now we're going to add a few pistachios. Same idea, you just want to spread it around your chocolate bark so that everybody that eats a piece will get a bite. And to add a little sweetness, we're going to be adding our raspberry wet proofs, which is kind of like a raspberry candy. And it's used a lot in bonbons and chocolate bars. And lastly, we're going to add a light sprinkle of our sea salt. Now that we added all of our toppings, our chocolate bark is ready to cool. So we're going to leave this out at room temperature until the chocolate becomes solid. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Our chocolate bark is now ready, and if you're a little bit short on time, you can also let this cool in the fridge. We're now going to begin to crack our chocolate. And you can also use a knife if you want to have straight lines, and you can create outlines for when you crack. But chocolate bark is known for its random shape when it cracks. And if you've ever wondered where the name chocolate bark comes from, it comes from the fact that it has its random shape that resembles a tree bark once you crack it. So you're just going to crack it into different size pieces. You might have a few small ones, a few larger ones. Once your chocolate bark is fully cracked, you can go ahead and serve it, or you can package it. This makes a great gift for the holidays or any time of year?